ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವನಜಾ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
Myself Raghuveer M. Kumar. My project is about some application of trigonometry.
Namaste, my name is Pushpita. I am studying in 9th standard A section. Our model is about properties of circle.
My name is Rashmita. I am studying in 9th standard SSAMHS.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 10th BA.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಅಂತ. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 8 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 40 ಅಬೌವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು, ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, AP, ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್.
Good morning, welcome to examination of mathematics. My name is Dhanushri.
My name is Anarva.
We are studying in 9th standard A section. My model name is angles. Angles are named in different that are interior angle, exterior angle, corresponding angle and in a vertical opposite angle. We can see one by one. Interior angle is 3 and 2 is a interior angle, 1 and 4 is a interior angle. Second, exterior angle, 1 and 4 is a exterior angle, 3 and 2 is a exterior angle.
Third, corresponding angles 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, and 4 and 4. Also vertical opposite angles 1 and 4, 3 and 2. Again 1 and 4, 3 and 2.
Thank you. Namaste, my name is Pushpita. I am studying in 9th standard A section.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಎಂ ಕುಂಚೂರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್.
Our model is about properties of circle. Circle is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from the given fixed point.
Radius of a circle is line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. Diameter of a circle is chord that passes through a center. Chord of a circle is line segment joining the center to any point on the circle.
Arc is a part of a circle that included between two distinct points. The larger arc is called major arc. The smaller arc is called minor arc. Major and minor segment. The segment which contain the center inside is called major segment. The segment which does not contain the center inside is called minor segment. Semicircle. The diameter make the circle into two equal halves. Each half is called as semicircle. Thank you.
My name is Tanushri, studying in 9th standard SSCMHS school. My topic is congruence and similar. Congruence, two figures are having same shape and same size, that is called congruence. Similar, that two figures are having same shape and same but not same size, that is called similar. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to our mathematics expo. My name is Varsha HS. I am from 10th year.
My name is Kusma K. I am from 10th year. The topic is about Pythagoras theorem.
In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides.
The equation of the Pythagoras theorem is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
Do you know where do we apply Pythagoras theorem in our daily life?
We will explain.
In this picture, engineers used Pythagoras theorem to calculate how much capable for the suspension of bridge.
We use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the ladder. Thank you.
Thank you.
Figures having length and breadth is called two-dimensional. For an example, rectangle, square, circle, etc. Geometrical figures having length, breadth and height is called three-dimensional. For an example, cube, cuboid, cylinder, etc. Sir,
Expression a single term or combination of two or more terms. It is either constant or variable circle combination of both constant and variable. Monomial expression that contains only one terms. Binomial expression that contains two terms. Trinomial expression that contains three terms. Polynomial an expression with non-negative interval exponent.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸು ನೋಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ವಾಲ್ಕನೋ ಇತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು
ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮನಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡರಾದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡರಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನಾವು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಗಾದಾಗ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಮಾತಾಡ್ರು ಬರ್ರೋ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಯ್ತಾ? Thank you. Bani.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Math Expo. Today I am to explain you types of quadrilateral. First, quadrilateral is the four-sided closed figure and its types is rhombus, parallelogram, square, trapezium, rectangle and trapezoid. First, rhombus. Parallelogram with congruent sides. Parallelogram, two pairs of parallel sides. Square, rectangle with congruent sides. Trapezium, exactly one pair is parallel. Rectangle, parallelogram with right angles. Trapezoid, no parallel lines. Thank you.
Namaste, good morning everyone. Myself Yashashwini. My topic is bar graph. Welcome to Math Mania. My topic is bar graph. Graph means pictorial representation of numerical data is called graph. Types of graph. There are 5 types of graph: bar graph, double bar graph, histogram, pie chart, or it is also called as circle graph and pictograph. There is a meaning of bar graph means a display of information using bars of the uniform width their height being proportional to the respective value. There is an example. Following data gives a total marks obtained by the 6 girls out of 600. Represents this data in a bar graph. There is a data. Names of the girls is Manasa, Anita, Pushpa, Soumya, Mangala and Meghana. There is a scale is choosing 1 unit is equal to 100 marks. There is a 2 axis, x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis we can take on the names of the girls, and in y-axis we can take on the marks obtained by the girls. In the for example, 450 is represent between the 400 and 500 is represented. In Anita obtained the 500 is represent the 500 in the exactly. Pushpa obtained the 300 is represent in the 300 exactly. Soumya obtained the 360 is represent between the 300 and 400 is represented. Meghana Mangala obtained the 400 is represent exactly in 400. Meghana obtained the 540 is represent in the 500 and 600 is represented. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Harsha B.S. I am studying in 8th standard. My topic is algebraic identities. A plus B whole square equals A plus A square plus 2AB plus B square. Like this. This A minus B whole square equals A square minus 2AB plus B square. Thank you. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
My name is Rashmita. I am studying in 9th standard SSCMHS. My topic is concentrical circle. Concentrical circle means a center point. Circle have a center point but different radius is called concentrical circle. This is also a called sector. Major sector, minor sector. Major sector means a circle have a large area is called major sector. A circle have a small area is called minor sector. Thank you.
My name is Lata. I am studying in 9th standard A section. My school name is SSCMHS.
Namaste, my name is Pushpita. I am studying in 9th standard A section. Our model is about properties of circle.
Namaste, I am Lakshmi M. Kunchur. I am studying in 9th standard A section.
Circle is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from the given fixed point.
Radius of a circle is line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. Diameter of a circle is chord that passes through a center. Chord of a circle is line segment joining any two point on the circle.
Arc is a part of a circle included between two distinct points. The larger arc is called major arc, the smaller arc is called minor arc. Major and minor segment. The segment which contains the center inside is called as major segment. The segment which does not contain the center inside is called as minor segment. Semicircle. The diameter makes the circumference of the circle into two halves. Each half is called as semicircle. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Vijay. I am studying in 10C section. This is ATM, automatic teller machine. This is used to withdraw amounts. This is bank. Bank is a company with deals with finance. This is account opening form. This is FD form, fixed deposit form. This is ATM form. This is phone number linking application. This is nominee changing application. This is passbook is used by an account holder to transact to track the transactions. This is withdrawal form, also known as cash form. This is demand draft, DD form. This is credit slip. This is debit slip. This is challenge used to deposit amounts. This is recurring deposit form, RD form.
Namaste, my name is Gautam. I am studying in 9th standard C section. My model is identities of spin wheel of identities. This is the chart of identities. In this chart, the 10 identities are given. This is the first identity, x plus y whole square equals x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the second identity, x minus y whole square equals x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is the third identity, x square minus y square equals x plus y into x minus y. This is the fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the fourth identity, x plus y plus z whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the sixth identity, x plus y whole cube equals x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This is the seventh identity, x minus y whole cube equals x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This is the eighth identity, x cube plus y cube equals x plus y into x square minus xy plus y cube. This is the ninth identity, x cube minus y cube equals x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. This is the last identity for 9th class, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z equals x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Thank you. Myself Raghuveer M. Kumar. My project is about some application of trigonometry. First, trigonometry means it is a branch of mathematics which is used to calculate the height of any object or distance between any two objects. Here is an example for application of trigonometry. Here is a lighthouse and a boat. The distance from the top of the lighthouse to the boat is 20 meter and the angle of elevation from the boat to the top of the lighthouse is 30 degree. By using these two, we can calculate the height of the lighthouse and the distance between lighthouse and the boat by using trigonometric ratios. So here is solution to calculate the height of the lighthouse. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವನಜ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಓವರಾಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದೂ ಇದು ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇರೋದು
ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಏನು ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್.
Namaste, myself Shivakumar. I am studying in 10th BA. My topic is about the trigonometric ratio. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry means the measuring of the three sides of a right angle triangle called a trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of the relationship between the right angle triangle. The height and the distance are calculated by the mathematical techniques which are come under the mathematical techniques, mathematical branches called trigonometry. My topic is about the trigonometry. If it is a right angle triangle, if theta is placed here, then this is the opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. We go through the trigonometric ratios. If here you can see the trigonometric ratios of 6 types. The trigonometric means first sin theta. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Then cosine theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. Then tangent theta, opposite by adjacent. The cosecant theta, hypotenuse by the opposite. The secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent. Cotangent theta, adjacent by the opposite. Thank you.
My name is Dhanushkar. Welcome to Maths Expo. My topic is square numbers and square root, cube numbers and cube root. Can you tell me what is square numbers? Square number means multiplying the same number 2 times. Now you can see 5 square is equal to 25. 5 5s are 25 and 6 6s are 36. Can you tell me what is square root? Square root is the inverse operation of the square numbers. Now you saw 6 square is equal to 36. Here it is inverse. 36 square root is equal to 6. Cube number means multiplying 3 times the same number. You can see now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 cube is 8. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3 cube is 27. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Abhishek KS. I am tell about types of polynomials. Monomial expression contain only one term. Binomial expression contain 2 terms. Trinomial expression contain 3 terms. Constant polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 0. Linear polynomial if the degree of the polynomial is 1. Quadratic polynomial if the degree of the polynomial is 2. Cubic polynomial if the degree of the polynomial is 3. Quartic polynomial if the degree of the polynomial is 4. Thank you.
What is binomial?
Monomial.
Binomial.
Expression contain 2 terms.
Good morning, welcome to Maths Exhibition. My name is Gordon and I am studying in 8th standard B section. This is the model of triangles. Triangle is a simple closed curve made up of 3 line segments. It has 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles. A vertices, B vertices and C vertices. Angle A, angle B and angle C. Types of triangles: isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Isosceles triangle, a triangle in which two sides of equal length is called isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle, a triangle in which all 3 sides of unequal length is called a scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle, a triangle which all sides of equal length, then the triangle is called equilateral triangle. Right angle triangle, if any one angle is 90 degree, then the triangle is called right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, if each angle is less than 90 degree, then the triangle is called acute angle triangle. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Bharat Vyas. I am studying in 9th standard C section. My topic is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means one number bisects to another number is called corresponding angle. Example: 1 bisects to 5, 2 bisects to 6, 3 bisects to 7, 4 bisects to 8. This silver line is called as transversal and 2 red lines are called parallel lines. Thank you.